everybody, it's Nichole LaVigne, your Las Vegas real estate resource. And I am here to tell you that the Las Vegas market is heating up, just like the weather. So if you're ready to buy or sell in this market, we got to get together immediately. Call me now and enjoy this tour of this beautiful new home. Welcome to 12407 Piazzo Street, located in beautiful Southern Highlands community. This is a gated community and the home is 2,600 square feet or just shy of it, with 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, 2-story, a beautiful sparkling pool and spa, and solar panels for your summer cooling efficiency. Thanks so much for taking this tour with me. I hope to see you touring this beautiful new listing soon. If you have any real estate questions, concerns, needs, I'm always here for you. Give us a call right away, 702-544-4022.